We're so glad that you decided to use your free Noomu funnel to make it easy to put your Burnout Reset Formula program up and running quickly. So, just a quick look at what we have for you, and then I'll walk you step by step on how to add it to your account and how to use your funnel. So, we have a complete sign up page for you that allows customers to order the product. There is an option to make it them able to register for free. And then there is also the interactive members area where they can leave comments, ask questions, participate in the challenge, grab all their downloads. And once you have the funnel link, you just enter it into your browser and you're going to be taken to a page that prompts you to set up your Noomu account for free. You can try this free totally for 14 days. Or if you have an account, make sure you log in and you're going to add it to your existing project. Don't start a new project. That's a new billing plan. You want it in your existing project. So now let's just have a really quick overview of what's inside now that you put the funnel in your account, and then I'll show you how to update everything and make sure it's up and running. So if you go under pages, you will see there's all the pages involved here. The course sign up page, there is an option to let people register for free if you prefer, and I'll show you how to change it to that. It's also got a course checkout page, which is already active, and then the members area to download everything. There is also a product in the store. As long as you keep this funnel as a separate entity, this product is already set up for you. And same with the messaging and workflows, there's an automation that sends out an email that they automatically get. You just need to add your email settings, verify your domain and your brand details, and then you would be able to turn this automation on. And it is triggered by a tag that they get when they buy the product. And then an email is sent out to them where they can download their product. So this is if the funnel is separate from your website. If you want to move the funnel into your website, if you have one with us on Noomu, you absolutely can. And you go under My Sites and Funnels, and this will pick up the styling of your site. You can add your header and footer and all that stuff. We click the gear icon and we put Move to Website in this project. But you should know if you move it to automation, you'll have to rebuild that one. And then the product you'll have to quickly add to the store. But the main components, which are the sign up page, the checkout, and the members area, this is all there for you. So on the main page, this is the information about the course. Everything's written out for you. Obviously, read through it to make sure it reflects what you want. Maybe you want to target certain people who do get burnt out. Maybe a burnout reset formula for moms or for people with a certain type of career or something like that. Then you can customize it however you'd like. And on the main page, you can add, there's information about your pricing here. You can change the regular price. You would want to update your countdown timer, which is all you would just go here and you can put down to when you wanted to count down. And obviously replace your name and your photo here. But everything else, as you can see, is ready to go. As long as it works for you, it's good to go. And it's also set to go straight to the checkout page, which I'll show you first. So this is where they can enter their customer details, and you could see when you click, this is a checkout widget and it's connected to the shopping cart. And you can see we've already selected the one product. If you end up rebuilding this, you'll just need to create your product and connect to it. You can also add bump offers, options for upsells and stuff like that as well. And actually, if you go under settings, you can see we've also connected it to a mailing list and we've tagged them with the Burnout Reset Formula so that can trigger an automation. If you wanted to do it free, there is a free registration pop-up button. And you can see also here in the settings, we have already set it up to go to the mailing list and to be tagged. So you wouldn't have to change anything on this, but on the main sign up page, you would want to go to, there's two buttons. There's one at the bottom and there's one at the top. They currently go to the checkout page, which is where people pay. So if you want to change the link, so it says course purchase, you would want to go free register login. And then that way, that little pop-up will pop up when they go to click join now. Then we have the course members area. This is the main page of that course. And the menu is all set. You can see that says global column. So that means on each page of the members area, it has this global column. So if you want to change this menu at all, it will update all the course pages. But you just want to make sure you have global column there. And all these pages do have that at this time. So they're guided to download. This is ready to go. When they click, this is going to download the 7-day reset guide, and there's place to leave comments. You may need to update the settings for the comments area to give it another name. And each unique name you give to a comments area, that means it will show up differently on each post. If you end up using the same name, it means on each post where that comments area is going to appear. So there are different settings that you can change if you want to require approval. You probably wouldn't want this, but you can make it only admins and moderators to comment, but that doesn't quite make sense here. You can make the comments show from newest to oldest. This is newest to oldest, descending, and ascending is oldest to newest. If you want to allow them to add images and mention people, that is all set there as well. So you go through on the pages. So then there's the workbook and checklist page where they can download. It's ready to go too. They'll click this, they'll be able to download it. They can leave comments. Same with the journal and planner. And then we should take a look quickly at the 7-day reset challenge. So that has each day, there's a little image. It tells them what to do. It tells them where to look in the training materials that you provided with them to get help with this, and invites them to share their progress. So totally set, ready to roll. In this members area, there's nothing you have to change, but obviously you can go through and update it however you'd like. It'll work right out of the box. So let's take a quick peek at the store so you could see the products set up. You will need to connect a payment processor. That's the minimum that needs to be done so that you can start collecting payments and people can buy. Then you can go through all the store settings and things like that and customize things more. But just to get up and running, get that payment processor in there. And as you can see, we have a product here for you. It's already set up. And this product will remain if you keep the funnel separately. If you move it into your website, you'll just need to rebuild the product. But all that takes is adding the image, adding a title. You don't even have to have a description here because they're not even going to see this in your shop. They're going to see the sign up page, the checkout page. So you can put something here or not. You can make it on sale if you want. You can have a regular price and a sale price. And this is a membership product because they are sent directly to a page afterwards. They are added to the Burnout Reset Formula group, which will redirect them to the members area afterwards. The custom thank you page is set. It's going to take them right to that course download page as well. They also will get tagged with that Burnout Reset Formula, which will trigger the automation for them to get their welcome emails. So if you are keeping the funnel separate, this is ready. If you're going to move it into your website, you'll just have to duplicate this, and hopefully my walking you through the settings is very simple to do. Then under messaging and workflows, the automations are what send things to customers right after they take an action or a tag is applied. And in this case, it's the Burnout Reset Formula. It gets triggered when that tag is applied, when they buy that product or they sign up for the product, and then that email goes out. So if you are going to add it to your own website, you'll just need to make this email really quickly again, have it trigger with that tag, send an email, and it says, congrats, your burnout reset starts now. And then you can edit the email. The only things you need to edit on the email are your name here at the bottom and your logo here. You can add your logo or you can delete this whole thing if you don't want a logo there. But if you want a logo, you just click that and you upload a file to do that. And then you will have to turn it on. That's after, again, you do the settings, you just verify your domain, you add your brand details, and you'll be ready to go. So that's it in a nutshell. Not too complicated, don't overthink it. We have a little checklist for you at the bottom of this video to let you know exactly where everything should go. As a quick recap though, on the home page, you would just need to update your name, your picture, your pricing here, double check this. Maybe you want your regular and you want your sale price. Make sure it matches what you have in your store. And then that's it for the sign up page. The course purchase, again, everything is ready. They will get the tag. The course members area, totally ready to go. So the only thing is updating those few items on the main page. And if you're adding this into your website, you'll just need to set up the product quickly in the store and make sure your messaging and workflows, your automation. This is just a little tip. If you are adding it into your website, you might want to add this funnel twice. So add it twice. If you add it twice and move one of the versions into your website, you can come back to the messaging and workflows and you can copy and paste what's there. It's just the way the system works. If you want to add it into a website, it can't carry that information over because your store and it already exists separately. So it doesn't import into there. But it's still super easy to get started. And if it's too technical and you're like, I don't want to deal with it, keep the funnel separate for now and just update that home page and add your payment processor. And you've got a product ready for sale. So if you ever need help though, you just click here on the bottom left, there is a question mark and help. And this takes you to our community. We have announcements here. We have a step-by-step success kit that we would highly recommend you take advantage of. It'll help you get your whole website up and running quickly, but also dig deeper into marketing strategies and things like that. We do weekly live support sessions where we actually are on screen and we help you troubleshoot, show you how to do things, fix things on your site, whatever you need. But of course, in between those sessions, we are always available. Our support is available. You can fill in a support form here. We have discussion boards. We have free weekly funnels. So if you really like this one, look out for our free weekly funnels each week. And we do regular training and stuff like that. So you are not building alone. We are absolutely happy to help you. So don't be shy, get it installed, and let us know how we can help.